Morning, students. Today I am going to discuss a small topic since your exams are going on, and the topic is degree of consolidation. Okay, so degree of consolidation is a parameter which represents the percentage completion of first degree consolidation at any instant of time, and it is usually notated by the letter U. Okay, so this parameter indicates the percentage completion of primary consolidation at any instant of time. Theoretically, the consolidation is completed in infinite time. Okay, actually, consolidation will complete so many years, and it will be completed in infinite time. But for practical, it completes in certain finite time. Okay, and this degree of consolidation can be computed in following three forms. First one, when settlement is given, and second case when void ratio is given, and third case when excess pore pressure is given. So we can discuss one by one. First one, when settlement is given. Okay, for that there are some parameters, that is delta H. Delta H is the ultimate consolidation settlement when degree of consolidation is 100%. That is, when degree of consolidation is 100%, there will be change in height. That is delta H. When degree of consolidation is 100%, the change in height for the clay layer is notated by the symbol delta capital H. Okay, and delta small letter h is the settlement of soil after any time t. So we are taking, or so we are calculating the degree of consolidation at any time t. So at that time, the settlement of the soil is notated by delta h, small letter h. Okay, so if degree of consolidation is u, represented by u, then u in percentage is equal to delta h divided by delta capital H. That is, settlement at any time t divided by settlement when degree of consolidation is 100% into 100 is the degree of consolidation if settlements are given. Okay, and the ultimate consolidated settlement does not depend on drainage condition. Okay, but the settlement actually depends upon the drainage condition, whether it is one way or two way drainage. That is, the water can flow in two direction or one direction. But this ultimate consolidated settlement does not depend upon drainage condition. That is, the equation for calculating degree of consolidation is the settlement of soil at any time t divided by ultimate consolidation settlement when degree of consolidation is 100%. Okay, then second case is when void ratio is given. Okay, for that, first one, E naught is the void ratio at center of the soil at the beginning of the consolidation. That is, E naught is the void ratio at beginning of, before the start of consolidation, and E100 is the void ratio at center of the soil after completion of consolidation. That is, after 100% consolidation, void ratio is E100, and E is the void ratio at any time t. Okay, so we are calculating degree of consolidation at any particular time t. So E is the void ratio at that time. Okay, so if these parameters are given, that is void ratio at beginning, that is E naught, and void ratio after completion of consolidation, that is E100, and void ratio at any time t, that is E. If these three parameters are given, we can calculate degree of consolidation by this equation, that is U is equal to E naught minus E divided by E naught minus E100 into 100. Usually it is represented in percentage, that is 85% degree of consolidation, or 100 percentage completion, or 100% degree of consolidation, etc. So we are multiplying by 100. So in this equation, at any time t, if we are calculating the degree of consolidation at any time t, that is t is equal to 0, that is beginning. So what will be the value of E? That is, E at time t is equal to 0, that is before start of the consolidation. So E will be equal to E naught, because E naught is the void ratio at beginning of consolidation. So at beginning time will be 0, so E is equal to E naught. So if we substituting the value E naught or E as E naught, this will be equal to 0, that is degree of consolidation 0. That is, initially the degree of consolidation is 0 because it is before the start of consolidation. Okay, so this equation is clear. And in second case, when t is equal to infinite. Okay, so when t is equal to infinite, that will be that means 100% consolidation. So E will be equal to E100. So in this equation, we can substitute E is equal to E100. Therefore, both numerator and denominator will be same. So this U is equal to 1, that is 100%. Okay, so at t is equal to infinity, degree of consolidation is 100%. So this equation is very clear. Okay, this is the equation for calculating degree of consolidation if void ratio is given. Okay, Third one, last one, when excess pore pressure is given. For that, if ui is the initial excess pore pressure at the beginning of the test, that is t is equal to 0. So we have discussed what is pore pressure or pore water. What is pore pressure? Pore pressure is the pressure inserted by the water which is existing in the voids. So at the beginning of the experiment or beginning of consolidation, before the start of the consolidation, excess pore pressure is notated by ui. Okay, and u is the excess pore pressure after time t. That is, we are considering the degree of consolidation at any time t. So u is the excess pore pressure at that time. So degree of consolidation u is equal to ui minus u divided by ui into 100. Okay, so like previous one, we can substitute two cases, that is when time is equal to 0 and time is equal to infinity. So at time is equal to t, that is beginning. So at beginning, u will be equal to ui initial. So we can substitute here. So numerator will be is equal to 0, that is u is equal to 0, that is degree of consolidation 0, because it is before the start of consolidation. In second case, when t is equal to infinity, what is the equation? U is equal to, when t is equal to infinity means at infinity, what will happen? All the water will be expelled out. So pore pressure will be equal to 0. Okay. So this is consolidation. Consolidation means expulsion of water from the voids. So by completing this consolidation, that is when t is equal to infinity, at infinite time, the all pore water will be expelled out. So pore water pressure will be equal to 0. Okay. So we can substitute here, that is ui minus 0 divided by ui. That means 1. So degree of consolidation is 100%. So this equation is clear. Okay. So these are the three methods in order to find out the degree of consolidation, and degree of consolidation is notated by the parameter u. So it can be calculated by three methods, that is when settlement is given, and when void ratio is given, when excess pore water pressure is given. So these are the equations. Okay. So today I am taking this topic only. Other topics I will be discussing in the next class. Okay. You just go through this portion. Okay. Thank you.